What's going on, guys? In this video, I want to talk about, are the bulls back, right? Are we going to go into a little bit of a fourth quarter rally? Are we going to start to make some new highs on the overall markets? Now, the tech market, the tech sector has been pretty beaten up over the last 3 months. We finally did start to recover. One thing that I do want to point out here is on the Qqqs, which is the Nasdaq 100, we have regained our 50-day moving average, which is very, very big. We have broken through a lot of supply, and the price that we closed at on Friday of around $367 was really fantastic. One thing that I do want to point out, coming off the recent lows on October the 26th, we're on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 day rally. Realistically, we reclaimed everything that we lost the week prior. So the bulls did a fantastic job. What I do want to stress and emphasize is that if you're holding positions long, or you're swinging long, or you made a lot of money going long last week, be very, very careful and very, very cautious. We could be having a little bit of a pullback, if not maybe a consolidation or a distribution period where we go in through that 2-3 day kind of rangy choppiness action. That's nothing bad. It's actually a good thing, and is what you want to see in a healthy market environment. But just keep that in mind, that if you find it a little bit harder to trade this week, that could be the reason why. Now, here's a couple of things that I'm really going to be looking for going into tomorrow, which is going to be the 6th of November, the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, so forth and so forth. What I'm going to be looking for is, if we gap up tomorrow, I want to avoid the longs, okay? I'm going to say that one more time. If we open up green and we're gapping up in the pre-market, I am not going to be chasing anything long off the bell. I'm going to need to see a pullback into rising hourly support, see the bulls catch trap shorts, go red to green, okay? So what I want to see preferably is a gap down or an immediate kind of flush off the open. And if I can get a flush to the 50-day moving average at around 364 or even lower, 361 would be perfect. The only gap that's concerning to me is right where the 5-day moving average is, sitting at around 357, which is 10 points down. This gap concerns me here. Although we do have support at 361, we also have support at 360 and 358. This gap concerns me, because this is our rising short-term sentiment moving average support, the 5-day moving average. We need a few more days to allow this to catch up, so when we do pull back, we pull back into rising 5-day support and then bounce from there. Now, to go long, if we do pull back, anything over 368, 369 is an automatic go. We need to be going long on stocks and looking for the stocks that are also breaking out as well. So that's how I'm going to be looking at the markets this week. Again, I know you guys don't like these type of videos. These technical analysis videos like this are probably the best videos for you to have market sentiment wise, so you kind of know what to do and know what to expect. But for some reason, you guys only want to hear about how you can, make $1 million or the best strategy out there. These videos are the videos that are going to help you. They're a lot more boring. I get it. They're not as exciting. I get it. But this is what's going to actually help you start to read the markets a lot better, so you can position yourself in better trade opportunities. So again, just take what I said into account. Look at it on your own charts. Again, don't just take what I'm saying and not look at it yourself and say, oh, well, he said if we get over 368, we should rip. However, you're taking something long off 368 off the bell when I said we want to see a washout or a gap down. I would like to preferably see us put in a high and then pull back and then take out the new high before I get long. So any gap up, I'm not chasing long. I would prefer the downwards action first and then take out the 368. If we do pass 368 before we get an opportunity to get that pullback, kind of wait for it to put in a little bit of a top, consolidate sideways, and pull back down into rising hourly, 4-hour, or daily support before we look for those longs to go back into the upside. Again, I don't really see any short position on the Qqqs unless you want to take a little bit of a scalp between 364 and around 361. But again, it's going to be very, very choppy. Just be careful. That's my market outlook. I think the bulls are back. I think that we can go on a little bit of a fourth quarter rally here. That's what I would like to see. Again, as soon as we start to break over last week's highs and we really start to punch towards the 374 mark, that's when we're going to really start to open up. When we got room all the way to 387. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. If you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe, share it. If you guys want to get access to trade with me each and every single day live, get access to my courses, get access to my calendar where you can book one-on-one coaching calls, access to trade with the rest of the team live via chat room or on voice chat, make sure you guys take the opportunity to get the last spot available in Evolution Traders at this current price. I'm going to be doubling the price because I feel that the more people that join, the more diluted the room is going to get because people are not going to take it serious. Going into 2024, I only want to work with serious traders, ones who are going to be here for a long time, and ones who are going to actually grow and be profitable for the room and themselves. So again, if you want to take things serious, jump in, take the last spot, show yourself that you're true to this business and true to learning your mistakes and learning how to get better. If not, the price is going to raise as soon as I sell this last spot. I've already taken 2 new students this week. I've only got room for 1 more at this current price. I'll see all of you guys on the inside.